friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share stunning hairstyle ideas for traditional attire. In this captivating video, we dive into a world of cultural beauty and style as we explore a diverse array of hairstyle ideas that perfectly suited for ethnic dresses, from vibrant colors of Indian saris, lehengas and anarkali suits. We have got your back when it comes to find the ideal hairstyle to complement your traditional attire. Join us as we showcase step-by-step tutorials on creating these stunning looks. Discover the art of elegant updos, cascading curls, traditional braids, and much more, tailored to various cultures and style. Unleash your inner fashionista and let your hair to be crowned that complement your ethnic outfit flawlessly. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fashion and beauty inspiration, and share this video with your friends who love to celebrate their heritage through style. Get ready to turn heads and make a statement with your ethnic attire and these exquisite hairstyle ideas. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.